Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through Robinhood, maybe you're feeling a little impulsive, or maybe you're just trying to capitalize on a dip. You punch in a transfer, hit confirm, and then, bam! That sinking feeling. You realize you've made a mistake. Maybe you transferred too much, maybe you sent it to the wrong place, or maybe you just changed your mind. Now, the big question is burning in your brain. Can you cancel a bank transfer on Robinhood? We've all been there, that moment of panic when you realize a financial decision might not have been the best one. And with the speed of digital transactions, it feels like once you hit that button, it's gone, lost in the digital ether. But is that really the case with Robinhood? Let's dive deep into this and break down the ins and outs of canceling a bank transfer on this popular platform. First, let's establish the different types of transfers you might be dealing with. We're primarily talking about two scenarios: transferring funds into your Robinhood account from your bank, and transferring funds out of your Robinhood account to your bank. Each of these has its own set of rules and limitations. When you initiate a transfer into Robinhood, you are essentially telling your bank to send money to your Robinhood brokerage account. Robinhood, in turn, credits your buying power with the transferred amount, often before the actual funds fully settle. This is what they call instant deposits, and it's a feature that allows you to start trading immediately. Now, here's where things get tricky. Robinhood's instant deposits are designed for speed and efficiency, which means the window for cancellation is often very narrow, if it exists at all. The moment you hit that confirm button, Robinhood starts the process of crediting your account. This means they're essentially extending you credit based on the expected arrival of your funds. So, can you cancel it? The short answer is, it depends. If the transfer is still in the pending stage, you might have a chance. But once it moves to processing, or if Robinhood has already credited your buying power, the odds of cancellation drop dramatically. Why is this? Because Robinhood has already acted on your request. They've given you access to funds that haven't technically landed yet. To reverse this, they have to unwind the credit they've extended, which can be complex and time-consuming. Let's look at the practical steps. If you realize you need to cancel a transfer, the first thing you should do is check the status of the transfer in your Robinhood account. Look for any pending or processing indicators. If it's still pending, you might see an option to cancel. However, this is not guaranteed. The next step is to contact Robinhood support immediately. You can do this through their in-app chat, email, or phone support, if available. Explain the situation clearly and politely, and ask if there's any possibility of canceling the transfer. Be prepared to provide specific details like the transfer date, amount, and your bank information. However, don't hold your breath. Robinhood support might tell you that the transfer is irreversible, especially if it's already processing. They might also advise you to wait for the funds to settle and then initiate a reverse transfer or withdrawal, if applicable. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about transferring funds out of Robinhood to your bank. This is essentially a withdrawal. When you initiate a withdrawal, you're telling Robinhood to send money from your brokerage account to your linked bank account. Again, the timing is crucial. Robinhood typically processes withdrawals within a few business days. During this processing period, you might have a chance to cancel the withdrawal. However, once the funds have been sent to your bank, cancellation becomes significantly more difficult, if not impossible. The process for attempting to cancel a withdrawal is similar to canceling a deposit. Check the status of the withdrawal in your Robinhood account. If it's still pending, look for a cancellation option. If you don't see one, immediately contact Robinhood support. Explain the situation, provide the necessary details, and ask if there's any possibility of canceling the withdrawal. Again, be prepared for the possibility that the transfer is irreversible. One important point to remember is that Robinhood, like most financial platforms, has security measures in place to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions. This means that they might have strict policies regarding cancellations, especially if the transfer has already been initiated. So, what can you do to minimize the risk of needing to cancel a bank transfer in the first place? The best approach is to be meticulous and double-check all the details before confirming any transfer. Here are a few tips. Double-check the amount. Make sure you're transferring the correct amount of money. It's easy to make a typo or miscalculate, especially when dealing with large sums. Verify the bank account details. Ensure that the bank account number and routing number are correct. A single-digit error can send your money to the wrong place. Take your time. Don't rush the process. Take a moment to review all the details before hitting confirm. Use smaller test transfers. If you're unsure about transferring a large amount, consider doing a small test transfer first. This will allow you to verify the process and ensure that everything is working correctly. Be aware of processing times. Understand that bank transfers can take time to process. Don't expect instant results, and be patient. Keep records. Maintain records of all your transfers, including confirmation numbers and dates. This will be helpful if you need to track down a transfer or resolve any issues. Use Robinhood's features. Robinhood has features that allow you to review and manage your transfers. Familiarize yourself with these features and use them to your advantage. Understand Robinhood's policies. Read Robinhood's terms of service and FAQs to understand their policies regarding bank transfers and cancellations. This will help you avoid surprises and manage your expectations. Ultimately, the best way to avoid the stress of canceling a bank transfer is to be careful and deliberate in your financial decisions. However, if you do find yourself in a situation where you need to cancel a transfer, act quickly and contact Robinhood support immediately. Remember, the sooner you act, the better your chances of resolving the issue. The world of online finance moves quickly, and sometimes mistakes happen. Understanding the limitations and possibilities of canceling bank transfers on platforms like Robinhood can help you navigate these situations with greater confidence. While a guaranteed cancellation isn't always possible, being proactive and informed can make a significant difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.